Transformation problem. Introduction. It is a special kind of linear programming problem in which goods are transported from a set of source to set of destination subject to the supply and demand of the source and destination respectively, such that a total cost of transportation is minimized. There are two types. First type is balanced transformation problem, supply is equal to demand. Second type is unbalanced transformation, supply is not equal to demand. There is a two methods. First method is finding the initial basic feasible solution, and second method is finding optimization. Optimization means best solutions are there. Now the first problem. Problem 1. A company has 3 plants A, B and C for which capacity are 7, 10 and 18 units. It has 4 warehouses P, Q, R, S for which demand are 5, 8, 7 and 8 units. The unit transportation cost is as follows. Warehouse and plant A, B, C and warehouses is P, Q, R, S as a given the allocated values are there. Okay, you have find initial basic feasible solution by first is a northwest corner method, second is a least cost method, third is a Wiggles approximation methods are there. Okay, now you first of all solve the northwest corner method. First of all, this is a allocated the value you have given to the value. This is the 4 warehouses P, Q, R, S. This is the 4 warehouses. This is a 3 plant are given are there A, B, C, and this is a you have given to that supply, you have given to demand are there. Okay, you know the supply is a 7, 10, 18 is a total is 35. Demand also 5, 8, 7 as a 15 as a total as 35 means demand as a supply is equal to demand means this is a both are equal means this is a problem is a balancing problem are there. Okay, means north corner, this is a north corner. Okay, north corner means first of all see the what is the supply is 7 and demand is 5. Okay, means what is the lesser than value? 5 is a lesser than value, you put the 5 here. Okay, 5 here you have put, you have take a 5, you have minus 7 minus 5 as the remaining is a 2. Okay, means as a 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 means this column is a 0 are there. This is a 1, 2, 3. This is a 0. Second, what is the lesser than? Supply is 2, here is a 8, here is a 7, here is a 15. Okay, lesser than is a supply is 2 means you have make a 2 are there. Okay, 2 here you have take 2 and 2 you have minus 8 minus 2 is equal to remaining as 6 are there. Okay, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 means this is a row you have as a 0 are there means this value or this value also 0. Okay, next you see what is the supply is 10 and this is a demand is 6. Okay, what is the less than is a demand is less means you take a demand are 6 are there. Okay, here is you have take a 6 are there. Okay, means as a 6 you have write down 6, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 means here is coming a 4 and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 means is a 0 is coming means this also 0, this also 0 are there. Okay, this as a 0 and this row also 0 are there. Okay, what is the remaining value? 120, 80, 180 and 80, 20 as a 120 and 40 are there. Okay, here is you see the 6, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, remaining value is a 4, means what is the value is you have take first of all 4 are there. Here you take a 4 minus 7 minus 4 is equal to coming a 3 value are there. Okay, here is a 3 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, means this row all this as a 0 are there, means you have cut this, all these values is a cut are there, means here is a coming a 0. Okay, as a demand is 3, as a supply is 18, you know that 18 is there. Okay, there is a supply is 18 and demand is as a 3 and here is a 15 also. Okay, means as only 2 allocated value is remaining, means last row as remaining, means you have write down first of all, here is a 3, means you take a 3 as a lesser than 3 are there, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, means this is a allocated value is a 0 are there, means 18 minus 3 is equal to coming a 15, 15 into 15 both are same, is value is coming a same, means this is a balancing value are there. Okay, 15 here also coming a 15, means you take a 15 minus 15 is equal to 0 and 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, all of you understood. Next, you know that all these things value are there, means as a total cost is equal to 5 into 38 plus 2 into 60 plus 6 into 60 plus 4 into 80 plus 3 into 120 plus 15 into 40. Okay, you have all these numbers, total cost is equal to, you have all these values, you have first of all multiply, then after you have plus and then after multiply. Okay, this all this value is coming is a cost are there 1950. Okay, next you have find out the least cost method. Least cost method means as the smallest number are there. Okay, this is all these things as a allocated value, you have given to that first of all allocated value and various values are there. Okay, means as a warehouse, plant, and this is no, the warehouses are there, this is a plant, this is the warehouses, 4 warehouses are there, this is the supply, this is the demand, and demand means you know the 5 8 7 15 is the total is 35, again 7 as 10 plus 18 is a 35, means this is a balancing are there. Okay, first method you have find out, this is the balancing, supply is equal to demand are there. Least cost method means which one the smallest number, here is a which is the smallest number is a 20 is the smallest number are there. Okay, what is the demand is a 8, what is the supply is a 18, means you take a 8, you write down the 8 and minus 8, at 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. Okay, 18 minus 8 is equal to 0, means this is all, this column also 0, this is cut, this cut, this cut. Okay, this is the 0 are there. Again you see again which one the smallest number is, this is the smallest number is a 24 is a smallest number are there, means as the supply is 7, as the demand is you know the 15 are there. Okay, means 7 is a smallest number, means 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, means this row is all this 0 are there. Okay, you have cut this one as 0, this 0, this 0. Okay, next you see that which is the smallest number as a both, next is the smallest number is coming as a 80 are there. Okay, 80 means you know this row and this column and this row is finished, only you are see here first of all is a 7, you take a demand is 7, supply is 10. Okay, 7 you take a 7, 10 minus 7 is the remaining is 3, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, this is 0, means this column is a 0, this is column is 0 and 0 are there. Okay, and next is which is the smallest number, as you see the smallest number are there, as the smallest number is coming 40 is the 40 also smallest number also coming are there. Okay, means smallest number is you have know that what's your smallest number are there, means you have know the 15 minus 7 is equal to 8 are there. Okay, 8 is remaining, means you take a 8 here, 8 as a here is a 8, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, and 18 minus 8 means as coming a remaining is a 10 are there. Okay, 10 means you have know the this is the 8 this is you have already you have take 8 is 0, means this is column also 0 are there. Okay, means again you know that here is a remaining 2, means you have write down the here remaining is a 3, means here is a write down the 3 is a 3 1 4 3 is write down 3 as a 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 are there. Okay, the 5 minus 2 is equal to 2 are there. Then after you know the here also 2, only one allocated number is remaining, that's why 2 into 2. Okay, 2 minus you take a 2, 2 minus 2 is a 0, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, means this is a 0 are there. Means this all these numbers first of all you see that what is the smallest number. Okay, one by one number you have take a smallest number and you have minus, both are column and rows you have minus. Okay, you have coming to the numbers are there. Okay, means this is 7 into 24 plus 3 into 140 plus 7 into 80 plus 2 into 80 plus 80 into 20 plus 80 into 40. Okay, is equal to as total cost is coming 1788 are there. Okay, next third is remaining as a initial basic feasible solution by Weigel's approximation methods are there. Okay, third. Okay, you know the all the 4 row house, you know the warehouse and plants, 3 plants, 4 row house, you know the supply, you know the demand are there, means demand and supply as equal is coming a 35. Okay, first of all you have here is a new mention is a row penalty. Okay, row penalty and column penalty, you have make a 4 boxes, first, second, third and fourth. Here also coming up first, second, third and fourth are there. Okay, you first of all see that here is a first of all first row. Okay, first row which is a minimum value are there, which is a minimum value, which is a minimum value is a 24. Okay, as second is a minimum value 38, where 38 minus 24 as a remaining is coming up 14. Okay, again next second row you see first of all second row which is a smallest number 60 and another is 80, 80 minus 60 is coming up 20. Okay, next you see first of all lesser than number is a 20, lesser than number is a 40, 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Okay, again you see the column, same you have make a column also. Column you know the 38, 140, 80, 80 minus 38 as a remaining is a 42. Okay, next 60, 60, 20, 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. Next you see the 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. Again you know that as a 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. This is all these things first of all you have minus. Okay, then first you see the row penalty, what is the difference are there, you first of all make a difference is a row difference and you know the column difference are there. Okay, this is a column difference and this is the row difference are there, and row difference you know the what is the penalty, what is the greater than number is you see here is a 14, here is a 20, here is a 20, here is a 42, here is a 40, here is a 20, here is a 16 are there, means this is the first column and first row you see the greater than number is a 42. Okay, 42 is a greater than number, means first of all you take a what is a demand and supply, which is a greater than and which is a smaller than. Okay, first of all you take a smaller than number are there, means greater maximum penalty you see that first of all, and minimum number means is a 5 is a minimum number, you take a 5 are there. Here you first of all column as you take a 5. Okay, 5 you take 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and here 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 are there, means this is column as 0. Okay, this is column as 0. And next you see that again you remaining, which is this is a 0. Okay, this is a 0, means again you see that as a which is a smallest number are there, as a for 60 minus 24 means coming a 36. Again 60 minus 80 minus 60 is coming a 20. Again you see as a 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 are there. Again second, as you see that first of all 60 minus 20 is a 40, then you know the 100 minus 80 is coming a 20. Again as 40 minus 24 is coming a 16 are there, which is the greater than number are there. You see here is a 36, 20, 20 and 40, 20, 16, means as coming a 40 is a greater than number, means 40 is greater than number. Then after you see the what is a demand is a 8. What is a supply is a 18, means 8 is a minimum number, means you take a 8 number are there. Okay, 8 you take, then 18 minus 8 is equal to 10 as remaining number. Okay, 10 is there, means 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Here is coming a 0, means this value 0, this value 0, this value 0, means as a you see remaining number are there. Okay, this is a remaining allocated value, only here is only remaining all is a remaining value here is are there. Okay, means again you know that 100 lesser than number is 24, and which is the remaining number 100, and means 100 minus 24 is coming a 76. Again 120 minus 80 is equal to 40. Okay, again you see this is a column, you know that this is a as a 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. Again 40 minus 24 is equal to 16 are there. Okay, means same things. First of all you know that again which is a number are there. First of all you see the number, you have see the number as you have 0. Here you say the which is a number are there. Okay, here is a 7 and here is a 10. Okay, as a lesser than number is a 7 is a demand is 7 and supply is 10. Okay, lesser than is a demand, lesser than number are there. Okay, you take a 7, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, and 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, means as a 3 is the remaining number, means this value as 0, this value as 0 and this value also 0 are there. Okay, means what is the remaining are there, this is the remaining number are there. All these things only 3 allocated number, which one remaining as a 24, 20, 120 and 40 as a remaining value are there. Okay, means same things is value you have write down here 76, 40, 20 and 16. You same things you have write down, only this is here is a remaining, only 2 is the remaining, you write down 2. Here is a 3 is remaining is a 3. Here is the remaining 10 is the remaining number is a 10 is you have write down are there, means this is the balancing. Here a 2 and 3 and 10 are there. Okay, then after you have multiply the number are there 5 into 38 plus 2 into 24 plus 4 into 80 7 into 80 plus 3 into 120 plus 8 into 20 plus as a 10 into 40 are there, means as a total cost number is coming 1718 are there. Okay, thank you.